Hey there, welcome to the course. My name is Colt. I'll be your instructor. In this video, I just want to quickly talk about who I am for like 5 seconds, and then what you need to know to take this course. So the course is on Bootstrap 4. The 4 is very large for a reason. Bootstrap 4 is different than previous versions. You do not need any experience with Bootstrap 2 or 3. But also, if you do have experience, there's still something for you in this course because Bootstrap 4 is so different and so new and fancy. But we'll come back to that. So this is the logo. For some reason, I thought that needed to go in here. Hopefully you're into making websites or wanting to learn how to make websites faster, quicker, better looking, more responsive websites. You need to be familiar with HTML. So you don't have to be an expert at every single element, but you should be aware of the structure of HTML, being able to make a new document, opening it up in the browser, adding in different elements, nesting content, adding in classes or IDs, but you do not need to be an expert in CSS. So this course is not really about writing a ton of CSS because Bootstrap kind of does that for us. Now we will be customizing it and writing some of our own styles on top to override Bootstrap, but you do not have to be an expert with CSS. It just helps to be aware of how it works, what it is, being able to write a simple style sheet and add in some basic styles, but you don't need to be a genius. And you don't need to know any JavaScript. So we will cover a little bit of JavaScript. Bootstrap itself incorporates some JavaScript into it, but you don't have to actually understand it. It's a good thing if you do. There will be some opportunities for us to write JavaScript to make things fancier, but you don't need to be a JavaScript guru. Also, you need to like animals, or if you don't like animals, just please promise me right now that you're not going to leave a negative review because I bring up my cats. It only happens like twice or 3 times, but somebody always has to complain. I'm sorry, I'm human. Anyway, to wrap that up, really, you just need to be familiar with HTML and CSS. You don't need JavaScript. I'm going to talk about the tools, the editor that I use, get everything set up. And in the next video, we're going to dive into what Bootstrap is. So how it works, why it's cool, disadvantages, advantages, look at some websites. That's coming up.